Sometimes it might not seem like all the little things matter, whether it's throwing me a surprise birthday party even when I tell you not to, or buying me another piece of clothing I don't need. The truth is, you're the best person in the world at making me feel important. And no matter what else is going on in my life, knowing that I have you in my corner will always be more than enough.
I wanted to tell you something, but I can't find the words to make you understand me. When I tell you you're beautiful, without you I'd still be stumbling around with no light. You bring a purpose to my whole life, and you got a heart of gold. And I will never let you feel like you're not truly loved. You'll always be more than enough. There's 7 billion people in the world, but somehow you found your way to me. I've never been one for fairy tales, but darling, you make me wanna believe that anything is possible. Now all I can see is a future with us growing old in a big house in Tennessee.
Wyatt and Maddie decided to move to Nashville together, and somehow they convinced me to move down there with them for the summer. They never made me feel like a third wheel, and Maddie was a third wheel.
Graciously welcomed everyone to come visit you. You invited me over and I was a really good guest and decided to keep you up all night and break your shower curtains, and you guys made it through all of that. It was a really rough night, and so if you can make it through Jump Hannah in Nashville, you can make it through anything.
Maddie, you really make Wyatt happy. Pretty clear, and I know how much he loves it when you do his laundry, when you put the food off of his face after he's done. Even more when you go hiking, even if you don't want to.
We took her to a volleyball tournament one time, and they just got killed. Came out of the gym, and I said, "I'm so sorry that you lost." And she goes, "I didn't lose. I thought she was delusional or dehydrated. I don't know what it was, but I knew why. Because they played as a team, she played hard, and that's the way she is. So these two are never going to lose, I know that."
Million different love songs can never be enough for you. So here's a promise, I got a lifetime to prove. There's 7 billion people in the world, but somehow you found your way to me. I've never been one for fairy tales, but darling, you make me wanna believe that anything is possible. Now all I can see is a future with us growing old in a big house in Tennessee.
Since the moment I met you, I haven't been able to picture my life without you in it. Even when it seemed like an impossible mountain to climb, I was still head over heels in love with the cute girl with the curly blonde hair.
Wyatt, from that first day of homecoming in 2017 when you walked me back to my car, I knew you were going to be trouble. Your blue eyes, your big mischievous smile, and your ability to make everybody feel like they're your friend immediately drew me in.
Every person that you meet is blessed by you in some way, whether it's through your kindness, your selflessness, or your willingness to listen. You just have this ability to make people feel good about themselves. And I'm lucky enough that I get to experience that every day.
You captured my heart right away with your talent to write and perform songs, and still do, that relay how you feel in the most intentional ways. Your talent to make me and all the other people in your life feel seen is extraordinary and so unique to you.
Life is so much fun with you, and I cherish every adventure we've ever went on, even if it involves you crying on the side of a hiking trail.
Throughout the past 3 years of us dating, we've moved across the country, completed undergrad, started graduate school, had so many laughs, hiked a few mountains, even if they were against my will, and made so many memories.
And I know there are going to be some troubles, but I have every confidence that we'll get through whatever it is, through our faith in God and our faith in each other.
As your wife, I vow to pursue Jesus first so I can give you and our future family the most Christ-like love.
I promise to do my best to give you everything in life that you deserve, even if it will never be enough. Every part of me is yours, forever and always.
Never seen something so beautiful. So you spent forever